Pangalan mo?
Joshua Templonepo.
Sir Joshua, within 5 minutes, dapat maubos mo siya, okay? Pag naubos mo siya, bibigyan kita ng 1,000 pesos. Timer starts now. 5 minutes. Tingnan natin kung maubos ni Sir Joshua. 4 minutes and 30 seconds. Dalawang pasok ka na. 2 minutes and 10 seconds. Sakto 4 minutes. Ayan. Okay ka lang?
Okay lang, sir.
Pwede mag 3 minutes and 10 seconds. Sakto 2 minutes. Ay, 3 minutes, sorry. 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Ang bilis. 2 minutes and 30 seconds. 1 minute and 35 seconds. 1 minute and 30 seconds. 1 minute and 15 seconds. Sakto 1 minute. Relax lang. Ayan. Mga na. Sir Joshua, congrats. Dahil dyan, meron kang 1,000 pesos.